Welcome to Amazon Tech. In this video, we will see how to deactivate or close the Amazon Pay Later account. Amazon Pay Later gives you an instant credit up to your eligible limit, without any processing, cancellation, or pre-closure charges. If you still wish to close this account, you just have to send an email to myloan@capitalfloat.com. Please note that once your account is closed, it is not possible to reactivate it again. And, do ensure to clear your dues before sending an email, which looks like this. From, your email ID. To, myloans@capitalfloat.com. Subject, request to close my Amazon Pay Later account. Email body, hello team Capital Float. Kindly close my Amazon Pay Later account. Please find below details associated with the account. Your linked email ID. Your linked phone number. I have already cleared all my dues. Regards. Your name. After you send this email, you will get an email from Capital Float within 24 hours, asking for your confirmation to close the account on a permanent basis. You have to reply to this email with your confirmation, just like this. Hello team Capital Float, I confirm to close my Amazon Pay Later account on a permanent basis. Regards, your name. After you send your reply email, you will get an acknowledgement email from Capital Float within 24 hours. And your Amazon Pay Later account will be permanently closed within 2 to 3 working days. Hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.